Those changes to Jacksonville's human rights ordinance took center stage at Jacksonville University tonight. The changes would expand protections under the HRO to include the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender communities. Channel 4's Ethan Calloway joining us live to talk about these possible changes after attending tonight's forum. Ethan?
Joy, a packed house here at the Terry Concert Hall tonight as a heated debate got underway with strong opinions from both sides. Tonight's meeting drawing so many people both for and against the proposed change, some couldn't even get into the concert hall. But for those who made it in, it was an energetic debate from both sides of the topic. Part of that debate including whether the issue should be put to a public vote.
If it is a situation and a problem, I think this is something that needs to be decided by everybody. So why not just have it public?
Others wondered if the city's lack of LGBT protections is hurting business.
I often hear, I'm not sure Jacksonville's the right community for me. So we, in fact, are not attracting the best talent that we possibly can.
6 panelists took the stage offering their take on questions pertaining to the issue. The proposed change would expand on Jacksonville's current human rights ordinance. Protections would be extended to those identifying as lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgendered. Those protections already in place in some cities across Florida and across the nation.
I know there's some polarization, but I'm still hopeful that we can find some common ground. And certainly the City Council has the role to really bring us together and find a solution to ensure that LGBT people are not discriminated against.
But tonight, many voiced fears of what the change could mean for the religious community. Bill Love referenced his faith tonight, saying he doesn't necessarily agree with the proposed change, but he does hope to hear all sides of the debate.
I am not in favor of the ordinance that was proposed back in 2012, but I am in favor of people communicating with each other and talking to each other, because there are real life issues that we've got that are here that we need to talk about, and people need to listen to each other and learn from each other.
Now, this was set to be the third and final debate, but Mayor Curry's office has hinted to us that there may be more meetings on this issue in the future. As of right now, no legislation has been presented, but that could soon change. Reporting live tonight, I'm Ethan Calloway, Channel 4, the local station.